So how can you add a photo on the top of a photo inside of Snapseed? So let me show you exactly how it would work, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So Snapseed is the photo editor made by Google, right? But it works for free. It works great no matter if you have Android or iPhone, but we can get inside and start editing our image. So at first I'm gonna select only one, but let's say it's gonna be this image, right, of the airplane window, right? So I'm going to confirm it. This is the one which we are going to be working with. And if you want to add one on the top of each other, inside of this app we don't have like the layer tools, but you can use what's called a double exposure. So if you are inside of the tools and you swipe up, in at the bottom left, you should be able to find the double exposure. And when I click on it, it essentially gets me to the gallery once again, and I'm supposed to select another image. So let's say that I pick something, I don't know, like this logo of mine. And you can see we have this like overlay, which kind of like mixes the two images together, right? So you can choose different modes, right? I guess this looks interesting, right? Or this one, or you know, whatever you like, right? So for example, you can place the image on the top of this one, or just play around with the modes to see which one you like the most. And I guess this is looking really interesting, right? So yeah, this is how you can add it. But as I say, it's not like we can add a clear image on the top of another one in this Snapseed app. It doesn't support the layering like we have in Photoshop or in other apps. And if you want to do that, I would recommend you to instead check out the Hypic app. I'm not affiliated with any of the apps, right? I'm just showing you what works. But you can get inside right in here. And if I were to perform the same thing where I would pick like the airplane window picture to work with, and inside of this app we can add the images right there. So if I click on overlay, I can do the very same thing and add the logo in there, click on auto select, and now when I confirm it, you can see that we have like a clear image of the logo on the same background. We can like duplicate it or even flip it, right? And it's like a clean image which we can place wherever you want. So as you can see, it's a little bit of a different thing, but this is what we can do inside of the Snapseed. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.